Hey guys, I'm Ryo Takahashi. I'm a cinematographer, director based in Tokyo, Japan. So today I'm going to be talking about 5 must-have items for ARRI Alexa Classic. So I mentioned about a lot of things about ARRI Alexa Classic. So I want to introduce the 5 must-have items for ARRI Alexa Classic filmmaking based on my experience. So let's get started. The first thing is that Soonwell 250 watt hour V-man battery. So I use this Soonwell battery 1 year or and more. When I get my ARRI Alexa Classic, I bought this battery, but there is no in the review, and yeah, it's kind of like a test. But this product is super nice, and there is no problem so far. So yeah, this battery is super affordable, and high amount battery can shoot the many hours because ARRI Alexa drains the batteries super faster than other cinema camera, so you have to prepare the bunch of the V-man batteries. So this Soonwell high amount battery is super nice and a lifesaver for your ARRI Alexa filmmaking. So I wrote this product link in my description, so please check this one. Maybe you can buy from Amazon, yeah, depending on your location, but yeah. Okay, so number 2 is that the wooden A-box. So I mentioned about recording audio with ARRI Alexa Classic in my past videos, but if you wanna record the audio with the ARRI Alexa Classic, you have to prepare the converter and amplifier with your microphones. So this wooden A-box is the converter, the 5-pin XLR to 3-pin XLR. So this company made for the specific cameras, so you have to get the ARRI Alexa version wooden A-box. So I also wrote the link, this product, in my description. Please check from this website. And this is an important notice, but if you get this A-box, but you cannot record directly the microphone to your ARRI Alexa Classic because you have to use the amplifier in between the microphone and your Alexa Classic. So yeah, I mentioned these things in my past videos, so many nice filmmaker commented this video, so this is super helpful advice for your filmmaking, especially in terms of recording audio with ARRI Alexa Classic, right? So number 3 is that Leitax PL to EF adapter. ARRI Alexa Classic, basically this is the PL mount based cinema camera, so there is no official converter PL to other mount, but this Leitax creates the PL to EF mount adapter. Actually, I got this PL to EF mount adapter from their website, so I am using this adapter maybe 1 year or something, but there's no problem, and I can use the vintage prime lenses, and also can use the affordable EF cinema lenses, because in terms of the PL lenses, these lenses are a little expensive on the market. The EF mount is super nice, and we can choose the various lenses. So yeah, my recommendation is that to get this Leitax adapter, because Leitax explains how to install this adapter to your ARRI Alexa Classic. So yeah, and if you have anxiety to use this adapter, maybe some YouTubers posted how to and install this latex adapter. And yeah, before I got this latex adapter, I asked some kind of questions to latex people. So yeah, they explains what I need. So if you are interested in this product, please ask them. And yeah, this is super nice product for me. Number 4 is that the small HD focus monitor. So ARRI Alexa Classic has no built-in monitor, so you have to prepare the external on-camera monitor. So my recommendation is this small HD affordable monitor solution for your ARRI Alexa Classic. So this price is around $300 or something. So this is super nice, this is super cheap. But small HD is the super nice brand and a super famous brand in the filmmaking world. So yeah, this monitor's color is super nice, and you can easily check, and you can easily on and off the false color and the focus peaking through the touch screen. So super nice and a helpful tool to shoot your footage. This small HD focus series is super nice, and yeah, my recommendation is get this one. And once you get this monitor, you can use other cinema camera. So yeah, this is super helpful too. Alright, so last thing is that get the big hard case. So yeah, I cannot mention the specific brand and product name because I use the hard case made in Japan, and this product are not available on the worldwide market, so I cannot mention my choice. But many other filmmakers are using the Pelican case. So, but I didn't use the Pelican case, so I didn't mention about these details. But ARRI Alexa Classic dimension is the length is that 34 centimeters, and the width is around 16 centimeters, and height is that around 60 centimeters. So you have to prepare these at least these size, and also you should take the margin of this case because you should protect your ARRI Alexa by using the cushioning materials. If you want to bring your ARRI Alexa on your filming location, on your filming studio, you have to protect your ARRI Alexa by using this big hard case, right? So this is my choice. So this is not available on the worldwide market, but this dimension is that my hard case size. So a big hard case is super important things to carry your ARRI Alexa to your location. So yeah, right. So these 5 things is the must-have items for ARRI Alexa Classic based on my experience. So maybe you can get these kind of things there, and I love the affordable products. So yeah, I mentioned the affordable products in that videos. So I hope this video helped your ARRI Alexa filmmaking. So thank you for watching. Bye.